Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in today's product overview, we're going to be talking about the cordless Milwaukee Sawzall. Now, the term Sawzall is actually exclusive to the Milwaukee Tool Company. This is actually known as a reciprocating saw that a lot of different companies make, but the Sawzall is sort of the granddaddy of this tool. And their cordless line is no different when it comes to the quality of the tool. This is part of their M18 battery line, and the M18 battery line is really a unique platform of batteries. It is one that you can use well over 100 different tools on using the same style of battery. There's different thicknesses of them, but if you had a Sawzall or an impact driver, you could use that battery throughout. Now, this particular tool has a lot of features to it that I think is really cool. One is a rafter hook right here. If you were using the tool up in an area, laying out rafters, if you were a carpenter or doing any kind of carpentry work, you could hang that on a rafter like this to keep the tool at hand, ready to go, and it tilts out of the way. It also has a rapid release chuck here for the blade. So you pull this out and you can take that blade right out. It used to be that you always had to use a Allen wrench to do that. You can drop that in, lock it in place, and you're good to go. This is the fence, and this is adjustable as well. There's a bracket right here, a little switch that you pull out, and it allows you to move this in and out depending on how you want to use the tool, and then you just lock it back into place. See, it's got this rubber grip on there, so you really have a firm hold of the tool when you're using it, and it just has a ton of power. When you pop that battery in and you fire this thing up, you can feel the power in that tool. One other thing that has on the end here is an LED light, so that if you're working in a dark area, you can see exactly what you're working on. The blades, it can take a variety of different blades on the end of this, and you can turn it the regular way, you can turn it upside down depending on how you're going to work in that area. Milwaukee is a quality manufacturer, and with this system under their fuel line, the Sawzall fuel line, you're looking at a tool that can work as hard as a corded tool without the cord. It's available at acehardware.com and at your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.